a dry rub, a beautiful dry rub. When you have amazing McCormick spices, you can't go wrong. Today I'm going to do the chicken breast. It's light, it's healthy, and it's so quick and easy to cook. So here we go with the dry rub mix. I'm using smoked McCormick paprika, beautiful. All right, that's gonna go over our chicken. I'm gonna add, of course, once again, my favorite, lemon, garlic, and pepper. Beautiful. Can you imagine that over our chicken? Huh? I'm just gonna use some fresh herbs, dried herbs. Put some Italian in it, cover everything for the perfect umami. A little bit of sugar, right? And don't forget salt. Now that's going to be the mix. Here's my chicken, and to my chicken I'm gonna put some lemon, extra virgin olive oil. I'm not putting it in my grill pan. I'm putting it on my chicken. A little bit of calamansi. Let me not forget my cumin. And then I mix that onto my chicken. Give it a good massage. And the key with chicken breast, maybe 8 minutes max. Okay, so I'm putting my dry rub into, well, dry but moistened, of course, since I'm gonna put it on the grill. It's gotta be a very there. You hear that? It's gotta be hot. While waiting for that, and again, that's really quick, I want to grill some veggies. Slice some tomato, some nice chili will grill. Let's grill an onion too. So I'm putting this all in to my chicken rub. That's done. Okay? So what do I do with him? I'm gonna leave him, let him cool down, and I'm gonna cover that with some foil. So cover, okay? Before I cut. You just want it to sweat back into the meat, so it's not dry. I now throw in my veggie sugar.